Did you know that you can control the available Sync 3 navigation system in your Lincoln using your voice? As a matter of fact, the available Sync 3 system has some enhanced voice commands to help drivers operate the navigation system without having to take your eyes off the road or your hands off the wheel. Let me tell you about it. Partial name recognition now allows users to say the name of well-known points of interest, or POIs, as they are commonly referred as. Just use the voice button and say, "Find a POI."
How would you like to search? Please say by name or by category.
By name.
Where would you like to search? Please say nearby or in the city.
Nearby.
In any town. Please say the name of the POI.
Now, just simply say the name of a gas station, coffee shop, restaurant, or an airport, for example. Then say the line number you want, like 1. It's that simple. And street addresses can now be spoken more naturally instead of saying each individual number. So, 1234 Main Street can be spoken as 1234 Main Street. Okay, there are a few more things you'll want to know about. Thanks to SiriusXM Traffic Service, features like automatic rerouting provide alternative routes if traffic conditions change, such as an accident or major construction. Plus, Sync 3 can calculate a more direct time-efficient route based on available speed limits, traffic, and road conditions to help reduce your travel time. Keep in mind, Sync does not delete previous destinations you've input, so you will have to do a master reset found in the Settings tab in order to delete them from its memory. Oh, one more thing. If you're not sure how to talk to Sync, there are a couple things you can do. At any time, you can use the voice button and say, "What can I say?"
A list of available voice commands is now on screen.
You can also get help by using the voice button and saying "Help." For help with navigation, for example, say "Navigation Help," and so on. And because the microphone is located overhead, make sure to speak clearly so that the system hears what you are saying. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.